The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 24 for further details.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, central Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Corporation of Ranson, or over Charlestown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Harper's Ferry around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shenandoah Junction, Bolivar, Pleasantville, Mearsville, Millville, Buckkerton, and Halltown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.